don't even know no players. I just wanna show off my new drip and put my chains in layers. I might just stand up and go crazy, someone make the layup. And we ain't squashing shit for free, you niggas gotta pay us. You niggas better pay up. Yeah, no, he might not beat it. I told the lawyer go for a lighter sentence. I don't want no problem with y'all niggas, y'all got women tendencies. I don't gotta sell drugs no more, I'm bossed up, got plenty business. Run around that lamb truck, I wreck this bitch, it ain't renting. Giving out my respect, get respect in every city. Niggas know I came up, but I came back through the slums and did it. Fucked around and got plugged in, I'm biting now, Red Richard Miller. Stay out my little brother business, just know that they getting millions. Press the button right